Some people walk into Judge Judy's courtroom confident, but walk out completely owned. And that's what we're looking at today.
Because you couldn't get here on time. Bird is here waiting for you because you couldn't get here on time today. Most important, the lady that you stiffed on the car.
Judge Judy starts already annoyed, and you can tell this man's energy is not passing the vibe check.
That you didn't know was here at 1:15, the same time you were supposed to be here. Do you understand? That is disrespectful. Stop tapping.
This man was unfortunately late, and she's mad that he wasted everyone's time.
That's disrespectful. It's disrespectful of other people's time when you're late. You see all these people sitting in the gallery? They could have been home 40 minutes ago.
At this point, it's a public service announcement about basic manners.
If it wasn't for you, I could have been home 40 minutes ago and been on the treadmill if it wasn't for you. She could have been on her way home.
She hits him with the age reminder. 22 years old and still late? Yeah, that sounds like my mom.
If it wasn't for you, do you understand? That's respect for other people's time. And if you're 22 years old and you don't understand that yet, I'm prepared to give you a dress down. Now we understand each other?
Okay, but I had a family emergency.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Mr. Ramirez, I understand your words, family emergency.
And if being late wasn't bad enough, this next case proves Judy has zero tolerance for excuses.
You sound like a fool.
I don't, because I know what I'm saying.
Are you trying to sound like a fool? You sound like a fool.
Whoa, Judge Judy really dragged this case with her because that's real energy right there.
You sound like a fool.
That's your opinion.
No, my opinion's the only one that counts.
That energy carried right into the next courtroom moment, and this one got real fast.
If a man did that, there would be no question that a family court judge would say somebody with that kind of anger. I'm speaking.
Judge Judy wastes zero time, and the mic is already heating up.
Who should not be left unsupervised with a child. And just because it happens to wear a skirt occasionally doesn't mean that the same mindset shouldn't work for you. That's outrageous. Outrageous.
I didn't do
Your
it.
conduct, yes, you did.
I didn't
Your
do it.
conduct is outrageous. Your motivation is outrageous.
And when she says, "I know exactly who you are," yeah.
My son was crying in the house.
I want to tell you
banged
something.
on the door,
I
and that
want to
was
tell you
it.
something.
No damage.
I know exactly who
and
you
he
are.
ripped me out the car.
I
and
know
left marks on me.
exactly. I know exactly who you are.
Once Judy sets the rules straight, questions get sharper, and the damage gets bigger. But hold on just yet.
I was attempting to go home.
To go home.
Yes, ma'am.
What time of the day?
10:30 p.m.
Where had you come from?
My son's home.
So you were visiting with your son.
Yes.
Judge Judy starts with simple, calm questions, but you can feel the setup loading.
And you were going to your house.
Yes.
What's the address of your house?
10th Street Northwest.
Do you know where that is?
Approximately, yes.
In order to get there, does she go straight or does she have to go in the other direction?
The easiest freeway access probably would have been in the other direction, yes.
So she was attempting to make a U-turn.
One turn, two turns. Which lie are we picking today?
You still driving your car without insurance?
No, ma'am. And I do have insurance.
But you didn't on the date of the accident.
Correct.
Oh.
Plot twist, no insurance. Judge Judy snaps instantly.
Well, you had some serious nicks and bruises and cuts.
Yes.
Sure did.
Can I say something?
Sure.
Actually, when I was pulling out to attempt to go home,
This isn't theoretical anymore. Someone got hurt.
to get on the freeway is on 46. So that would make me have to go straight, not to make a U-turn. And I did not hit this man. He laid his bike down himself. And afterwards, he got up. He was fine.
Are you crazy? Is there something wrong
Yes.
with you?
Yes.
Is there something wrong with you?
No,
You're
ma'am.
not supposed to be driving an automobile,
This is where Judge Judy's patience finally snapped.
a big old Cadillac without insurance, or a little car without insurance. You're supposed to have insurance,
She goes full parent mode, and then the hammer drops.
because your insurance would have paid for his injuries, would have paid for his medical bills, would have paid for his moped. The only reason you're here is because you had no insurance, and you were careless, and he was injured. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $5,000. We're finished.
$5,000 judgment, 2 seconds. No debate. Judge Judy owned the room here. and in the next one as well.
Ultimately, it went back into my account when he dropped the dispute at the end.
So what are you doing here? Go ahead.
Well, I'm suing for the NSF charges that I incurred for the money going in and out,
We can tell Judge Judy already smells nonsense in the air.
the taxes that I had to pay, and the inconvenience of it all.
I'm not giving you a quarter. I think that you're a very bad businesswoman.
Now the damage explanation hits, and suddenly, there is none.
I
He
think that
called
you
3
are.
days later.
I think that
He
you
canceled 3 days
listen to
later.
me.
My policy is no
hey,
refunds.
Miss Nola. Miss
It's in my
Nola.
policy.
I'm talking, you're not.
I understand.
I'm talking, you're not.
Judy exposes the flaw so clean it hurts to watch.
Let me tell you this. I just went over with him the dates. And
They're not
I said,
correct.
is all, don't speak. I said, is all of that correct?
No.
This woman couldn't stop interrupting, and Judge Judy couldn't stop shutting her up.
You want me to play back the tape? You said correct.
The dates are not correct. The facts are correct. The dates are not correct. He called 3 days after he booked. I
Great.
have no consolation.
Just a second.
No
I'm
cancellation
speaking.
policy.
Hey, I'm speaking. Listen
No
to me.
cancellation policy.
I don't give a
So why
rat's
do people put these in
Listen
their-
to me. I don't give a rat's behind about what you're going to show me. I'm not giving you another penny.
Judge Judy hits her with the final logic checkmate.
Not another penny. If the money went back into your account.
Because he was wrong. That's why he dropped the dispute.
No, let me tell you something. If I was in
Why
business,
did he drop the dispute?
You can feel the courtroom mentally packing up.
throw you out of
Why
here
did
and
he
not
drop
even
the dispute
explain.
would be my
Hey, just
question.
a second. If you're going to try to talk over me,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to throw you out.
Yes, ma'am.
It would be my pleasure anyway.
She says she understands. Judy says she's not finished. Iconic.
You did say the dates were correct. Then you changed. Don't speak. Then you changed it later when you saw the direction I was going in. That's number one.
One last interruption attempt, instantly shut down.
I asked you whether all 14 motorcycles were rented for that period of time, 26th, 27th, 28th. Your response to me, because it's on tape, was no, they weren't.
And just like that, the case of interruption was dismissed.
And he called pretty far in advance. So the second thing is that you suffered no damage as a result of his canceling because the rest of your motorcycles weren't rented. He only rented one. I'm not finished yet.
I understand.
I'm not finished yet.
I understand.
Judge Judy spitting facts, and this woman still can't hold her tongue. Makes us all throw up.
Customer who had reserved and used my business before 3 times.
That
And
understood
they
the
call-
policy.
Hey, just
That understood the policy.
goodbye. Your case is dismissed.
That's
We're
great.
done.
That's how you solve cases like these. And just when you think the logic can't get messier, the math enters the chat.
You want me to believe?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you understand that I'm having trouble with that? I mean, I'm having trouble with this whole case.
That nervous laugh? Yeah, even the courtroom knows this math is about to fail.
The background, because, gee, that's a lot of money for somebody to loan somebody else, even a friend, to go get their face done. And what you said in your complaint,
Judge Judy is already confused, and that's never a good sign for the person talking.
was that you had just gotten a large settlement from a car accident, and you transferred $6,000 to her bank.
Loaning thousands for cosmetic work? Judy's face says this better make sense.
But you only got $2,700 from the settlement from the car accident.
Correct.
And so you take care of yourself. You have a daughter, you have a granddaughter. They all live with you, and you make $8.35 an hour.
Hold up. The numbers don't line up, and Judge Judy clocks it instantly.
You explain to me so a way that I'm going to understand it, where you got the $6,000 from to loan her.
Okay.
This is the calm before the storm moment where Judy asks for logic, not feelings.
I've asked you 3 times where you got the $6,000 from. 3 times you said you got $2,700 from the insurance company.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye. We're done.
And boom. Judy hits the eject button mid-sentence, and we loved it. So, tell me which Judge Judy moment shocked you the most. Let us know your views in the comments below.